Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update the game drivers on Windows 11. So if you are a gamer, this video is for you. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. Open device manager. Now here it is a list of all the drivers in your Windows 11. Go and look for sound, video and game controllers. As you can see here, sound, video and game controllers. Double click on it to open it. Now you can see Realtek Smart technology for USB audio as well as Intel Smart Sound technology for digital microphones. You have to right click on it and go to update drivers. Now you will see two options. First option is search automatical drivers. It will search your computer for the best available driver and install in your device. And second one is browse my computer for drivers. You have to click on first one. Now as you can see here, my device is already installed and up to date. Now close the window and again check for the second one. Right click on it and go to update driver. Again search automatic for drivers. As you can see, my driver is up to date. Check in your PC or laptop. Now close this window. Now in the search bar you have to type settings. Open settings button. It is very necessary. Now in the left panel go to the last option, Windows Update. As you can see here, click on it and click on here, check for updates. Now you can see my laptop is up to date and you can check your game controller drivers as well as you can download in your PC. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.